You got a C300, you wanna make this sound like an AMG? We got you at Gexhaust, guys. We're doing G-Pack in the middle, resonator delete behind that, and a Muffy D in the back. Getting rid of these two mufflers. Stock mufflers are complete trash, garbage. Getting rid of them, straight piping out the back, do a custom Muffy D, patented technology by Gexhaust. And we got a G-Pack, pretty sweet ass muffler in the middle. Give it some tone, give it that burble that you usually get out of an AMG. A lot of guys call us up with non-AMG or non-M cars and they're like, yeah, I want it to sound like an AMG. And it's really tough, you know, it's like impossible to do, but the closest thing to it would be a set of G-Packs in the middle and then straight pipe the rest of it. Give it that tone, open up the rest of the exhaust, get that turbo flow that the car should need. And it's a pretty sweet ride. Brand new C300, got no miles, 5,000 miles on it. Customer stole it off the lot and now he's trying to make it sound more aggressive. So custom catback, made about 15 horsepower. Got the custom system done, full straight pipe. And that guy wants to do test pipes. Wants to do test pipes, make it sound more like farts. Nice, guys. Don't be like the guy in the Q50 fully straight pipe in his car, all right? It's a naturally aspirated V6. Sounds like garbage with test pipes. Don't do it, guys. Anyways, back to the C300, all right? Like I said, customer got a brand new car, wanted to make it sound a little bit more aggressive, closer to like an AMG. So what we did, G-Packs in the middle, resonator delete, muffler delete, opened up this C300 4-cylinder turbo. Later on, you could slap an air intake on there, but the exhaust does sound great. So I'm gonna crank it, let you guys hear it, and let me know what you think. So now it sounds like a factory C63 AMG, just like the customer wanted. Sounds great. You guys can hear it. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And we got new merch coming soon. This ain't it, that ain't it, but we got them. So look out for the shirts. They're pretty sweet, guys. So Gexhaust out.